Good morning, class 10. Dear student, topic statistics is continue and the subtopic is median. Today we will learn to find the median of group data. Dear student, here it is the class interval. It is 65 to 85, 85 to 105 and so on, and 185 to 205. Given frequency 5, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Now, this is the formula of median. Median is represented by NE. It is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is the lower limit. N by 2 is the sum of frequency. Is N, its half is N by 2. Then we will find cumulative frequency. It is 4, 9, 22, then 42, then 56, then it is 64, then 68. Now, this sum is also 68. So, N by 2 is 34. Now, let us see half of N by 2. N by 2 is 34. It belongs in 42. So F this is CF, this is F, and L is 125. Now putting all the values, L is 125 plus N by 2 34 minus CF is 22, F is 20 into H. H is called the size of class interval. It is 20. So here this difference is 20. Now here 20 cancel out. So it is 125 plus that is 12. Now it is 137. So median of the given data is 137. Dear student, next question is question number 2. If the median of the distribution given here is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So we will find cumulative frequency first. It is 5 plus x, then it is 25 plus x, it is 40 plus x, it is 40 plus x plus y, then it is 45 plus x plus y. Now, there is a formula of median. AB equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So first of all we will find N by 2. N by 2 is 30 and it will belong might here. So CF is 5 plus x and F is 20. Lower limit L is 20. Now putting the values, it is 20 plus N by 2 is 30 minus CF is 5 plus x. So it is 5 minus x upon F is 20 and size of class interval H which is 10. So it is 10. 0, 0 cancel out. And the value of median is given 28.5. So 28.5 is 20 plus it is 25 minus x upon 2. Then it is 8.5 is 25 minus x upon 2. Cross multiply 17 is 25 minus x. From this we will get x, which is 8. It is 25 minus 17. Since x plus y plus 45 equal to 60. So x plus y equal to 15. Here x is 8. So 8 plus y equal to 15. Let's expression 1. Then putting the value of x, so y equal to 7. So required value of x and y. X is 8 and y equal to 7. That is the answer. Now, dear student, next is question number 3. Question is, a life insurance agent found the following data of the distribution of ages of 80 policy holders. Calculate the median age. If policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. So, here ages are given below 20, below 25, below 30 and so on below 60. And these are the number of policy holders. So, up to the age 18 to 20 there are 2. Then below 25 6 and so on. Dear student, this is the cumulative frequency. Now we will find class interval. So it is 18 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55 and 55 to 60. Now we will find frequency. There are 2 persons, then it is 4, then it is 18, it is 21, that is 33, then it is 20, it is 11, then it is 3, then it is 6 and it is 2. Here it is 2. Their number of the person belong 18 to 20 are 2, 20 to 25 4 and so on. Now, sum of frequency that is 100, n by 2 is 50 and h is 5. The difference of class interval. We can take a 15 also, but no problem. Now, formula of the median m equal to n plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into h. Here, 50 belongs to 78, so L is 35, frequency is F is 33, CF is 45 and H is 5. So it is 35 plus N by 2 is 50 minus 45 upon F is 33 into H is 5. Then it is 35 plus it is 5 upon 33 into 5. So it is 35 plus 25 upon 33 25, 33.0. Now it is 7 lakh. 7 3 are 21, carry 2. 7 3 are 21 and 2 is 23. Then it is 9 and there is 1. Then it is 0. It is about 6 are 6 3 are 18, carry 1, 18 1 19. So it is 5. So it is 35 plus 0.75. So median is 35.75. Median of given data is 35.75.